So have you ever been in this situation where you've got some audio on the primary timeline and then you've added some new audio over the top, you disabled the old audio, but you want to attach these video clips, you want to attach these to the new audio, but they're all attached to the old audio on the primary timeline. Now ideally, you'd go to this audio clip and you'd do overwrite to primary storyline, but it won't let you. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm going to show you how you can overwrite the primary storyline. So what you do is you grab this clip. So we basically want this clip to be in place of this grey thing and all this greyed out stuff, right? So we move it into this gap. It's in the gap. Now we do lift from storyline. Now after lifting it, we'll see we've got overwrite to primary storyline available. So that's half the problem solved. Now we're just going to have to turn on the snap, press N to turn on the snap if it's not already. Then just select this grayness and then just line it up with the end of this clip and do option left square bracket to make this the size it was before. And then we're just going to move this so that the left hand side is lined up with the left of it. Right, now we've solved our Rubik's Cube. We do overwrite to primary storyline. And bam, that grayness has disappeared and this audio has now been lifted from the primary storyline. And we can just keep going along. We can do the same thing with the next one. I guess I can do that just to show you. So we move it into this gap. Then we lift it out. Then we select this grayness. We go to the end. We do option left square bracket. We drag this. Whoops. Oh, this is an unusual one. Well, yeah, we'll drag this one to here. Wait, no, that's not right. That's not the one we want. This is the one we want, right? We'll drag this over to here. And then we're going to do overwrite to primary storyline. And bam, there it is. And we can just keep working our way along. And once we've worked our way along, all of these are going to be, I guess I can do that quickly and just speed it up, right? So we'll just drag this into the gap and then lift it out, cut this, move this so that it's here, and overwrite to primary storyline. Take this, drag it into the gap, lift it out, cut this, drag it along, and overwrite to primary storyline. Bam, there we go. And now all of these are no longer in the primary storyline. All of these are, and we're free to just go along and delete these old audio that we're not using.